Now you will get to know who can see what, and who can manage, or how do you modify your legacy contact that they can manage your account after you pass away or after you're disabled. I wish you all the best in all your life, but as we all know, this is the life. One day all of us will pass away. So here you will just go from this arrow, you will choose setting, and then you will press on your legacy contact modify. Then you can choose someone to look after your account after you pass away. They will be able to, and for all these points, except they will not be able to post as of you or see your messages, and you can add them as a friends. In details, what they can see, what they cannot see, how they will manage, you will find it in the description. You will find all the URLs for it. This is from the mobile, this is from the desktop, sorry, this is from the desktop. So if I need it from the mobile, just remove this www, I'll just put M. It will go for the account setting also from this menu. Then you press personal information, manage your account, legacy contact, and here you will find choose legacy contact, type your friend name, and it will be choose. As I told you, this is the brief. All details you will find it. All details you will find it in the description. URLs, you will find all the related URLs for it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.